Hello and welcome to RLRX Network. I'm your friend, and in this amazing video I will teach you how you can create a beautiful, amazing progress circle chart in Excel 2019. As you can see on my screen, I have already created this amazing beautiful chart in Excel 2019, and in this video I will teach you how you can create this chart from yourself. So as you can see on my screen, I have taken the three MIS name and their percentage what they are getting in this month, and on the basis of these data I have created this one. So before wasting any time, let's start and learn. And before starting this video, if you did not subscribe my channel still, so please subscribe it quickly, because I always try to make the useful videos for you so that you can become an Excel expert easily. So let's start. And to start, I will use my this data, so I will just select my all data and copy it, then add a new worksheet and paste the data over here like this one. Now I do not need this grid lines of this worksheet, so I will remove it first. So go to view tab, then remove this grid lines. Okay, all right. Now let's do the all border like this one. Now to create this beautiful chart, I need a support column, so I will use support column. For this I will press is equal to, then 1 means 100% minus the achievement. It means Rajesh is achieving 78% and the rest 22% is left. So I will just copy and paste it so that all answer will be done. Now let's create. To create this, I will enter in insert tab, then I will take a simple donut chart like this one. All right, now let's change the width and length. So I will select this chart, go to format tab, and here you can take the height and width is 2 by 2. Take 2 by 2. All right, now right click on your donut chart, then go to select data, go to add, and here you can see the series value is 1. So I need to take 20 times 1 to get this effect. So I will just use 1 is already is there, so I will press comma, then 1, it's 2 times. Now 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. Then click on OK. Click on OK. Now you can see this is done. Now I do not need this title, so I will remove it, and I do not need this legend, so I will remove it. Now you can see. All right, now select your donut chart and right click on it, go to format data series, and decrease the donut hole size from 75 to 65 so that it will look like good. All right, now I need to remove the outline of this chart, so I will select this chart, go to format, shape fill as no fill, and shape outline as no outline. All right, now let's change the color of this donut. So I will just right click on it, go to format data series, now go to fill and take the solid fill any which you want. So let's take the darker blue like this one. All right, now to make 3, I will just use this data, so I will just duplicate this. All right, now to align the center and equally, so I will just select my all, sorry, do control Z, select and select all 3 donut chart, then go to format, and here you can align it middle and then align it horizontally so that it will be equally distributed. All right, now let's make the donut. So I will just select this one, then go to select data, then I will add the data for first MIS, then click on add. So series name will be my MIS person and the series value will be these data, then click on OK, then OK. Now you can see the another donut chart is inserted over there. Now I will select the donut chart outsider donut chart which I earlier created, and right click on it, then go to change series chart type. Now here you need to make this MIS donut chart as secondary. So I will just click on it, then click on OK. Now you can see the first donut chart is hidden over the second. So I will just, what I will do, I will double click on it. Remember that your blue portion is your achieved and the red portion is your not achieved. So I will just double click on your blue portion, which means achieved. Then I will go to fill options, then choose as no fill, so that our previous donut chart will be visible. And for the second one, I will select it one, double click on it, go to solid fill, take the color as white and make this transparency as 25%. Now you can see the first one is completed. Now for the second one, I will just select the donut and right click on it, go to format data series, then change the color, solid color as whatever you want, like let's take the green color, then close it. Now add the another donut chart for Varun. So I will just right click on it, go to select data, then click on add, series name as Varun and the series value will be this one, and I will click on OK, then click on OK. Now make this donut chart as secondary. So I will right click on it, go to change series chart type, then make as it secondary. Okay, now again it's come back. So I will just double click on my blue portion and then go to fill and do as no fill. And for the red portion, double click on it and take the solid color as white and make this transparency as 25%. Now you can see my second one is completed. For third one, I will just change the donut color first. So I will right click on it, format data series, go to fill and take the solid fill color as whatever you want. Like if I am taking the orange color, like this one. Now add the another donut for Sanjeet. So I will just right click on it, click on select data, then click on add, change the series, take the series name as Sanjeet and the series value will be this one. Click on OK. Okay, now you can see the another donut chart is inserted. Now I will just select the outer donut chart and make it as secondary. So click on change series chart type and make it as secondary. Look like this. Then I will select the blue portion which is achieved, then double click on it, go to fill and make as no fill. And for the red portion, take the solid color as white and make the transparency as 25. And you can see your chart is done. Now whenever your value will be changed, achieved value will be changed, the chart will change automatically. Even I have used the RAND formula to calculate the percentage automatically. Whenever I will change the value, as you can see, the chart is going up and down using progress circle chart amazingly. Look like this one. Now let's insert the percentage level. So go to insert, then take the text box like this one and take the achievement of Rajesh. So I will just select this text box, then go to formula bar, press is equal to, and then achieved percentage is this one. Now you can see the percentage is here. Now increase the font size like this one, make it as bold and give the font size as Algerian. Any other you can take and make this shape fill as no fill and shape outline as no outline, and make the color is like whatever it is. Now make this over here. All right, now do for another one. So make it duplicate and adjust over here and change the color of it like green. All right, now make the duplicate for third one and then make this as, now change the percentage. This is for Varun, so I will just select it, go to formula bar, and this one is E4 because it cell is E4, so I will just OK. Now for this one it is E5 sorry, C5, and click on OK. Make it for format painter. So I will just select this first one, go to format painter, this one, go to format painter, this one. Now this color is changed, so give it back like this one. Now you can see if I will change the value, then it will percentage will automatically change. Now let's insert the name like this one. So for this I will go to insert tab, then take a text box like this one and select your text box, go to formula bar, press is equal to, then first name is this one. Now make it increase the size, then make it bold and take the name as Arial. Any of the name you can take, then select this, make shape fill as no fill, shape outline as no outline, make this color as this one, because make the duplicate, change the name and the value will be B4 and this one will be 5, and make this as format painter and change the color like this chart, so it will be green and it will be orange. Now you can see my chart is completed and I do not need to show this support column, so I will just select this and make the font color as white, so it will be invisible. And now you can see whenever it will change the value of any MIS name, the progress circle chart will change automatically. Isn't it cool? So you can just make this easily an amazing beautiful chart. So I think if you will like this video, so you can just like it, and if you have any query regarding this video, so you can just do the comments below of this video. And if you did not subscribe my channel still, so please subscribe it quickly. I will meet you in next video with next another example to make the your charting series more attractive and more beautiful. Okay, all right, till then,